Welcome to This Week in Astronomy, brought to you by Celestron, the world's leading manufacturer of telescopes. I'm Dave Eicher. This time we're going to talk about a favorite and an interesting deep sky object, and that is a galaxy, M33, in Triangulum. It's sometimes called the Triangulum Galaxy or the Pinwheel Galaxy. Now, if you look at our local group of galaxies, about 10 million light years across, it's one of the three big spirals. Of course, there's our own Milky Way galaxy, there's the Andromeda Galaxy, the big spiral that was the first galaxy identified just about a century ago by Edwin Hubble, and M33, the Triangulum Galaxy. So it's relatively close by to us in the universe, and it offers a lot for observers. It's 3.2 million light years away. It's about 60,000 light years across, so it's a lot smaller than the Milky Way and Andromeda. It also is very notable because it lacks a central supermassive black hole, which is very unusual for a large spiral galaxy. It does have a bunch of interesting features in it, however. One of them is NGC 604, which is a huge star cloud, star-forming region that's so large and bright it got its own NGC number. In fact, it's one of the largest star-forming regions known of any galaxy that astronomers know of. It contains about 40 billion stars, give or take, overall, the galaxy. And, you can see it in a dark sky. You want to choose a moonless night to go out and look after galaxies, of course. So go out on a dark night, wait until it's relatively high up, which it is this time of year in the evening, and you can see it in binoculars, even though it has a relatively low surface brightness compared to a lot of galaxies. And of course, in your Celestron telescope, it will look really, really nice with a very condensed nucleus and faint spiral arms and that star cloud that branch out from the center of the galaxy. So head out there on a dark, moonless night, away from city lights if you can. Take a look at and maybe capture an image of M33, the Triangulum Galaxy, one of the best galaxies we have in the northern sky. I'll see you next time.